Welcome to Smiley Star TV.
Spin, spin, spin. Can you spin with me? Stop! Let's learn about a tornado. A tornado is a spinning wind. It goes round and round and round like a twirly top. Woo, woo. A tornado happens when warm air and cool air meet. Warm air goes up, cool air comes down. The air starts to move around and around and around like a spinning top. The spinning air grows taller. It reaches down from the cloud. Woo, woo. And that is how a tornado happens. Uh-oh. Here's a fun fact. A tornado is made of wind. Woo, woo. Can you make the wind sound? Tornadoes are strong, so we stay safe inside. We watch from far away and listen to grown-ups. Let's play a game. Is a tornado spinning wind or still air? Yes, spinning wind. Good job. Today, we learned about tornadoes. They spin, spin, spin. You did amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching!